Hello, cake lovers. Welcome to Cakes Factory. I'm your host, Sumbal Shazadi. Today on Cakes Factory, we are exploring cakes with a secret surprise hidden inside. Get ready for 15 creative hidden compartment cakes that will blow your mind. The first one is candy explosion compartment cake, a hollow cake center packed with Mr. Mrs. Sparkles and Jaminis. Cut and let the candy rain begin. The next is hidden ring cake, box cake, perfect for proposals. Open the top and find a big tiny box holding the ring. Sweetest, yes, ever. The next is baby gender reveal pull-out cake. Pull the top and out comes a strip. Reveals it's a baby or it's a baby girl. Tears of joy frosting. The next is money full surprise cake. A rolled currency compartment packed neatly inside. Birthday plus bonus. The next is mini gift box inside cake. Slice open to find a tiny wrap box inside the cake. Gift and cake in one. The next is puzzle reveal cake. Cake layers fall out of a message when arranged. Fun and interactive. The next is jewel surprise cake. Tiny wax gems pour out the center. Perfect for princess themes. The next is snack compartment cake. Filled with cookies, chocolate, and even mini chips. The ultimate snack lover's dream. The next is secret compartment wedding cake. Elegant outside, surprise love note or token inside. Perfect for romantic weddings. The next is scroll message cake. A hidden scroll pull out reveal a birthday message. Creative and unforgettable. The next is hidden jewelry cake. Necklace or earrings placed safely in the center, great for bridal showers. The next is surprise box underneath the cake. Cake lifts up to reveal a gift box inside the cake stand. Next level gifting. The next is hidden key cake for unlocking a real gift or surprise box. Cake treasure hunt, yes please. The next is love letter cake. A secret folded paper placed inside revealed when sliced. So hurtful and sweet. The next is hidden compartment panto cake. Even mini cake can hide tiny charms or coins. Perfect for compact celebration. Here are some few tips. Bake two layers of cakes. Cut out a circular hole in the center of one. Fill the hole with candy, money, or your surprise. Place the second layer on the top and frost to cover it. The next is which cake's surprise idea was your favorite? Would you try a money roll, a ring box, or maybe a scroll message? Tell us in the comment. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends and family members, or the one who love baking, or your loved one who want to try something new for your next event or big day. Subscribe to Cakes Factory for more sweet surprise every day. Coming up next only on Cakes Factory. Hit the bell icon so you never miss any update like Galaxy Miracles cake, cake inside a cake design, 10 comic outline cake ideas, or any idea which is creative and super and trending in 2025 only on Cakes Factory. Stay tuned with us, keep baking magic. See you in the next video. Goodbye.